In the last video, we demonstrated how to locate the override option and add a user override. In this video, we will demonstrate how to add a group override. To perform group overrides, first, select the option from the drop-down menu and click on Add Group Override. From here you will be able to select the group and modify the quiz settings for all the students belonging to that group. To select the group, click on the drop-down for Override Group and choose the corresponding option. From here you will be able to adjust the same quiz modification settings that were available for the user override. Similar to the user override, there are two paths you can take, depending on the situation, providing that there is adequate reasoning for taking such action. If the students missed the quiz completely, and the cutoff date has passed, you can adjust the open and close dates to produce a new time frame for the students to attempt the quiz. Now here is what to do if the students already made attempts, and those attempts need to be made void. You can increase the number of attempts by 1, and adjust the open and close dates, if the cutoff date has passed, to provide them each with an additional attempt. Once you are finished, click the Save option. You can return to the override list to confirm that the changes have been applied correctly. Now you can add a group override.